Hi everybody, you are watching tutorials. My name is Alex and I have a good news for you. First of all, I back this sticker tutorial, so you can learn how to create stickers with pilot parts in Adobe Illustrator. Second, I have created a course and share it through Adobe.com. In this course, you will learn how to automate the most boring stuff in Adobe Illustrator, and these tips that I share through this course will make you 2 times, 3 times more valuable as a vector artist. And there are a bunch of free coupons that are waiting for you on the description. So click on the link in the description and enjoy this course. Automate the most boring stuff. Become more proficient as a vector artist. This course is still on the development because I want to create it the second best course after the basics. So enroll in this course and I will see you inside. And for now, enjoy this sticker tutorial here on tutorials.net.
So, hi everybody, I'm in Adobe Illustrator and today I'm gonna show you how to create this natural curve of this pilot part in the most efficient way. So, let's start with the ellipse. Click L and click on the empty spot of your layer and set the width and height together at 170 pixels. Click OK. Then give it a black color. Very nice. Grab the line segment tool, click backslash and holding shift key, create a line, push it to so it dissects the circle at the bottom fourth. Keep selected this line. Okay, let's first guys create a duplicate of this circle. Then keep selected this line. You see, only line is selected. Go to object path and divide objects below. You see, very nice. Now let's grab this part and change the color. I'm gonna just lighten this color. Then holding shift key, rotate it at 180 degrees and align it with your part, your initial largest part. So these two guys, align it to the bottom, vertical align to the bottom, like so. So we have something very similar, yes, but well, it's lacks in these angles. These angles are too sharp, and well, let me show you how you can make them more natural in Adobe Illustrator. So we're gonna start by placing a guide. Ctrl R, Command R to show the rulers, and then grab the guide and place it here. Or next, grab the subselect tool. What I'm gonna do, what you're supposed to do, is to select this small pilot part and go to the object path and add anchor point. Then go to the object path and add anchor point again. It's not a repeatable function, so you cannot do this Ctrl D, Command D. Then you see this anchor point in the middle of this pilot part, delete it with the delete anchor point tool, this, or click minus on your keyboard. So now push this anchor point right here where the direction handle intersects this path. We can do this to enhance. We can do this Ctrl Y, Command Y, with Command Y, Command Y. Make sure that your smart guides is tuned on. That's important. So then what we're gonna do? We're gonna push this anchor point up until this angle of the large part. You see it here? They are in the same place. Then do the same here. Place into the intersection use your up and down arrow key, and I think we need to, guys, sorry, lock the guides. So go to the views, guides, and lock the guides. Now we can adjust, guys, to more precious control over your anchor points and all of these movements. Go to the edit, preferences, general, and set the keyboard increment to the very small number. You can even to the 0.00, okay? In my case, I'm working with the 0.1 pixel, so I move every single object, every single point in Adobe Illustrator at the position of 0.1 pixel with every key press. Click OK. So push this anchor point here. You see? Brilliant. Brilliant. Now, guys, select this two and push to the max. Draw a marquee, select this two on the bottom. You select both pilot part and large part, anchor point, and push it. You see it here. The same here. Select and push to the max. So this option is not viable anymore. Then grab this and push like so to this line. The same here. See? So it creates this more manageable solution. But of course you can play with these direction handles. For example, you can place another ruler, and for example, you can place it up until here. The same here. Bound. The same direction handles. And let me show you what we have now. Ctrl Y, Command Y. You see? You see it here. This pilot part. Let me undo the... Oh, okay, I just want to... Let's rotate it. Holding Shift key. Let's rotate it. And let's add this gradient. And let me detach my gradient panel so we can focus on it. And I'm quickly explain you the gradient colors. So at the left gradient stop, I have 100% black. Let me show you an alignment. Oh, it's not right. Of course, we need to align it from bottom, or from top left to bottom right, like so. Let me show you my colors. So at the left, I have 100% black. At the position of around 45%, I have D0, CE, C9. And at the position of 100%, so the rightmost, I have 30, 2C, A, 1A. Click OK. So, last but not least, of course, we need to draw this part. We need to draw this circle. And in order to do this, you know, this is a complete duplicate. 160 pixels, 70 pixels. Go to the object path and offset this path to -7 pixels. And click OK. It creates you a duplicate. And I'm gonna place this color. I'm gonna sample this color, this orangey color, swap fill and stroke, and then increase the stroke weight to 7 pixels, of course. Set the stroke to inside. You see it here. Set it to inside. Then place this guy here. Okay, let's place them both to align. I think I disable my smart guides. Of course, I disable my smart guides. Now with smart guides I can place them both and delete the duplicate. Now let's focus on this part, and I simply want to duplicate this black part. Ctrl C, Ctrl F, push it on the top, Ctrl Shift right bracket, Command Shift right bracket on your Mac, push on the top, then select the circle, select the top part and make mask. Yes? Make clipping mask, like so. And then grab the pillet path and with the Ctrl Shift right bracket or Command Shift right bracket on your Mac, push it on top. So guys, this is almost the end. Grab this very bold slab serif font. Very bold. I think if you find a little bit lighter, I think it suits more better to this sticker. Okay, but I have this Alpha Slab 1. Well, it makes this design sport related, but well, I think we can grab something like Academica, probably. Let's take a look on this Academica typeface. Is it free? Oh, it has only free alternatives. Oh my, it's a paid font, okay. So simply, let's take a look on the slab serif typeface. What we have here on this font squirrel. I believe the first Aleo or Biorhyme will be absolutely amazing for this kind of design. So download this Aleo and enjoy this sticker. So guys, don't forget that I have an amazing course called How to Get the Most from Adobe Illustrator, where I explain how to use, you see it here, shortcuts, graphic styles, actions, symbols and scripts here in Adobe Illustrator. And I explain all of this, it should be here, how you can create golden ratios, grids, shadows, and then I will share with you a preset, flat line preset to create this kind of illustrations. Let me show you. Flat line. To create this kind of illustrations. If you enjoy this style, enroll in my course. It's free. You would see the free coupons on the description. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.